Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to fix Geforce Xperience login problem. Let's begin. So first thing that you want to do is you need to open up your settings. So then once you're done opening up settings, you are going to go to the left side here and then select Network and Internet. Then you go to the VPN section where it says VPN, Add, Connect, and Manage. Now, if you have any VPN that you're connected to, then what I would suggest is you disconnect from that VPN. Because sometimes when you are connected to a VPN, there can be some connection issues where your internet is not going through and then some applications do not run. So if you're connected to any kind of VPN here, what you need to do is you need to temporarily disconnect from it. Now, the second option would be to go to your app section. So you go to the left side here, then select apps. Then you go to installed apps. Then what you need to do is you need to look for Geforce Xperience. And then what you're going to do is you are going to delete the application and then reinstall it. Because what can happen sometimes is you might have a virus on your computer, which might cause some files to be deleted or corrupted, causing some applications to not work in the process. If this video helped you out, then please leave a like and consider subscribing. It's free and it'll help the channel to make more videos like this. Thanks for watching and see you in the next one.